Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am India Brianna. If you didn't know, now you know. In today's video, it's just a quick little one too on how, am I moving the camera too much? It's a quick little video about how I do my hair, my little slickety slick, just slickety slick back, baby, with the baby hairs. Y'all see them? I did show y'all how I did the baby hairs. If y'all want to get this look, hello, focus. Hello? Is it serious? Well, I'm trying to do the intro. I'm trying to do my intro. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, if you want to achieve this look, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos.
Something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
Okay guys, so we finna do, I'm finna just show y'all real quick how I do my slick backs, you know, comb it. It's gonna be real quick. It's gonna be real quick. So I comb it, right? And I put it in a loose ponytail with this. This is not a ponytail, this just to get the foundation together. And I'm using Shiny Jam. Boom. Take some, put it on my hair. And don't forget that I put it in the back too. Okay. Brush. I'm looking at my mirror. Look at this. Brush it how you want it to look. Other side. Okay, and once it's smooth, get the real scrunchy, right? Okay. My forehead big, don't look at it. Don't look at it. Boom. Take this one out. Okay, then I go in Style Factor. Put it. It's gonna secure the ponytail. This ponytail not going nowhere all day. You guys see that? I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Okay, boom, now the edges. Y'all see, let me get this out of the way. Y'all see this little side burn already done from yesterday. Take the same Style Factor. Put that. show y'all how I lay my edges. Let me zoom in for y'all. Is my camera dirty? It look like it. Okay, let's zoom in. Focus, hello. Okay, don't look at that. Don't look at it. Anyway, boom, take this little piece out. I slick all my hair back. I don't pull my edges out first before I stick it back, because if they real edges, they're short enough to where when I comb it, they gonna come out ponytail. Y'all see it's coming out. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Boom, put a little 1-2 on it. Swoop it. Right. Same thing. You see, they just, and I'm not even going hard on it. I'm just literally seeing which one's gonna come out. Literally, that's all I'm doing. I feel like it's a little okay. Put a little 1-2 on it. I feel like it should be a little bit thicker. I feel like that's not all of my little hairs. Here we go. Yes. Okay. Like that. One side done. And then sometimes I go in with got to be. This gonna make it last two days forever, but I'm not gonna put none of that on there right now because what is this? It don't need it. So now I'm just going with the brush part, just brush over it. Literally just brush it exactly what I just laid. And I don't put no scarf on either. These edges not moving. it don't move. Anyway, boom. Now this side, take same thing. Take them out. Edge booster. Let me move y'all. I guess y'all can stay right there. Boom. Comb them out. Y'all see. Literally just the same thing. Same thing. Same thing. And I don't do all them extra baby hairs with swirly. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm not about to do that every day. And I don't curl my baby hairs either. I don't know why y'all doing that. I feel like that's wasting my time. Y'all see how they just literally coming out. And use your finger to lay them. Like y'all see, I'm going with the comb, but I'm following with the finger. Literally. Done. Then I do one in the middle. Literally just swoop, just like that. Literally, that's it. That's it. And then I just play my ponytail, tighten it up. And that scrunchie I used in the beginning, literally put that on there. What's this? What is, oh. Hold on, y'all seen that? Tried to play me. Nope. Not I. That's it. That's how I do my split back.